a date, which was said to be rather uneventful, although the woman did state that Franklin spoke at length about blacks and whites during this outing, and that this seemed to turn the young woman off. When he spoke to her later that evening, she informed him that she did not want to see him again. Again, this is all out of character for Franklin, who prior to this, when he went to an area to commit a crime, stayed largely to himself and did his best to avoid detection and human interactions. This could either be that he's looking to settle down at this point, or Franklin could have gotten to that part of his killings that so many killers get into, where they begin to believe that they are invincible,